Hello, my name is Shweihninzy, and as you can see, I have acne, but it's a bajillion times better than what it used to be. I am a licensed esthetician. I got 2 cats. I have red hair. I'm the oldest sibling. Those are the random facts today. But today we're going to be doing our eyeshadow with the Kesha Rose collection. I'm so excited. I have everything. I bought the entire set. So this is the eyeshadow we're going to be playing with today. I'm also testing out the Bite Beauty foundation. So that is the foundation that I will be wearing, and the review for the foundation will be in a separate video. So I will leave that linked as well, so you'll definitely have to check that out. But I like doing my eyeshadow first before doing my foundation, just in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadow. So let's go ahead and pop some eyeshadow on. So here we are with one eye done. These shadows were a lot harder to blend than I was expecting. So if it looks a little messy, hopefully this eye will turn out a lot better since I already had some practice. I use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and then I just set it with whatever powder I set my under eyes with, and that's what I use as my base. And then got a piece of tape on the back of my hand, and we are going to use it to create that perfect line. Ta-da! The first brush we're going to be using is a Unit 205 brush. And I'm going to be going in with the color, and this is going to be one of our transition shades. And I like this brush because it's kind of a pointed blending brush, but this color isn't as pigmented as I was like expecting it to be, so I go in like lots to get it to build up to the way I want it to be. And then taking a Sigma E25 and the color Boogie Feet. This color is gonna go right next to the green. I don't know if I should have done like the orange then the green, but this is how it's looking. And then I'm always just blending back and forth between those 2 colors. And then taking a Sigma E32, I'm going in with the color Godzilla right here, which is a really pretty like dark emerald green. And this color was kind of hard to blend, so this is going like in my crease, and then just going back in with Dinosaur and blending that out so the greens fade into one another better. Taking a tiny little Wet n Wild brush in the P. Louise base, I'm going to be cutting the first part of my eye out. Going in with a Unit 202 and the color Honey right here, which is a gold, but it also shifts pink. There's the gold, and it shifts pink. I'm going to be putting this in my inner third, and then I'm going into this green color Spaceship. And there's the eyeshadow. What do you guys think? It's definitely something that I normally would not wear at all, but I went out of my comfort zone. This definitely screams Kesha. She's all about color and just, yeah, expressing yourself. So this is where I'm going to be starting my foundation, so check out that video. Alright, so we got the foundation on. You guys will have to watch the video to see my thoughts. Alright, let's go ahead and finish underneath the eyes. I'm going to use a Zoeva 234, and I'm going to go in with the color Godzilla again, and we're going to connect like this part here. I want to put some of that TikTok shade in the inner corner. Like, this TikTok shade is just so pretty. It's this one right here. Yes, glitter. Like, the glitter's chunky, she thick, she there. Like I said, I got her entire collection, so I got her eyeliners and like her lip duo as well. I don't really want to do eyeliner. One is blue and black and the other is gold and orange. So I have swatches of everything on my IGTV, so definitely check that out. But the black is black. But I'm not going to do like a wing or anything. I'm just going to line lightly. I don't know if I should wear these Ardell Remy lashes. Let's try these out. What do you guys think? Put my eyebrows on and oh my gosh, the foundation, like I didn't even put it on my eyebrows, but like it was slipping and sliding all over the place. Doing my brows was a struggle. I used the LA Girl eyebrow pencil. Here we go. The Shady Slim brow pencil. It was slipping and sliding. I haven't had that issue before. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do my face makeup. Alright, and here is the finished look. Like I said, all of my face products will be in the foundation video, so definitely check that out. My lashes that I'm wearing are the Ardell Remy lashes. They turn out looking really good. But yeah, hopefully this foundation works out. You guys can see what I think in my foundation review. But yeah, I'm definitely actually with lashes, like this look looks pretty good. Quite like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!